Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock and then also AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom and Micron. So we have a strong close on Nvidia stock. Now what does this entails to? What does this mean? Are we full on bullish now, you ask Junior Trader? In this video, we'll talk about all of that, what to trade, how to how to trade, what to look for in Nvidia, and all other semiconductors, as well as for the trading plan going into this week and thereafter, right? So, all right, with that, guys, please also note, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. So, we were in the downtrend, this ongoing once we lost this pivot of 128, and then we started to find this support at $117. If so, the next big play was definitely below this 50 days moving average and $117. If we would have broken that, that was a continuation to the downtrend and we would have definitely gotten a flush. That was a bigger break of structure as well. Nvidia is still holding into this sort of distribution phase area still, and you can see that today's candle, the way it has closed, it is already turning itself around back into the upside, especially closing above $123 is a big win for the bulls today, right? Now, we'll have to jump to the hourly interval to talk more about it, but definitely we are already gaining the zone of bullishness. As soon as we are above 123, I would say we are already 60% plus bullish. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's go to the hourly interval to talk more about it. So here we are on hourly interval. Now there are a couple of things I provided you today to watch. Well, one was definitely if anytime we get out and above of this trend line that was being rejected at these pivots, then Nvidia would turn back again to the upside and we can test 123 again, and we got that. You can see we went up, tested 123 after breaking that trend line back to the upside, this trend line, right? Then at 123 into that blue box, let me extend this out, and we sold off, got a pullback at 20 and 50 hours moving average, got bought back up there and continued higher. Yes, so intraday, Nvidia is bullish back again, and also 123 and above, definitely, guys, it is in the more of a bullish territory. Now, remember that we are below 200 hours moving average, and there is a gap down on the previous pivot at 125, and that's why I'm not willing to give it 80% bullishness, like not willing to give like, hey, we are structure is full on again, overall structure is full on 80% plus bullish, which for me, 80% means that the structure is bullish or bearish, whatever 80% is and is directed towards, right? So in this case, I would say we are 60 to 65% bullish, but nothing more than that. And why so? Because we are not yet above of this area of pivot, right? 125. This blue box led to the gap down on Nvidia, right? And this is very clear to be seen on this daily interval over here, right over here. So right now it's still between these two, this gap of the pivot technically, right? So, and we are still below 20 days moving average. So it all coincides with that overhead area of the box that is 125. So here's the play. Yes, technically intraday we are bullish. So the next level you are watching in this uptrend, as long as Nvidia continues to stay above the 20-50 hours moving average, especially above 121 and 51 cents. If we continue to stay above it, we can be testing definitely this upside at 125 with 200 hours moving average. But yeah, play has already started, as I talked about, if we get out of this trend line, right? So yes, that's a possibility. We can test this overhead 125 and 50 cents area with the 200 hours moving average, and 20 days moving average is also right over there. So yeah, and then if we can get out of all these three combinations in the confluence, that's then full on structure again, full on bullish on the swing as well. Now there's another thing, keep in mind that if we reject at that 20 days moving average, which is somewhere which is very close right over here, right? This is at what, 125 and 18 cents. Yeah, this is where we have that 20 days moving average. If Nvidia rejects that tomorrow and it starts to crack below 123 again, so let's go to the hourly interval. Yeah, if Nvidia tries to goes up, rejects that 20 days moving average, comes below 123, be a little bit careful. Technically though, yeah, that slowdown may come until 121. Until then, I'm not willing to say that. Or watch 20 and 50 actually with this combination of 121 and 53, and we'll still have a higher pivot on intraday. But once we start to lose this as well now, guys, this area of with the previous pivot, right, 120 to 121 area with 50 cents delta, then that is again a structure to that break to the downside. So we are technically not out of the woods yet fully, in that, hey, we have a confirmed direction, pullbacks are, you can just buy pullbacks blindly and things will go up. We are still in that distribution phase, and as I said, we still have a combination of bullish and bearish signals, and with the price action we have to keep evaluating what type of trades are better taken. So in simplicity, trade it only intraday. As long as we continue to stay above 20 and 50 hours moving average tomorrow, pullbacks are still a buy with the stop loss on the other side. If anytime we lose these, tomorrow I won't suggest shorting it, but yeah, that will start definitely bringing weakness if we start to lose 20 and 50 moving average. All right. And yeah, definitely above 125 we can regain that as well. Then full on structure is bullish. Already again on Nvidia, we are then back again to the races to the upside maybe. We'll see. Right, guys, trade intraday and with the levels that I provided. AMD. So AMD trying to go up, and I talked about it over my last couple of videos as well, that you are watching this 200 days moving average, right? And with that, if we can get up, there's some rebound may come. We got that to the next significant level of 157, but yeah, you can see right now nothing more than that. With AMD, guys, what I would say is that if it has to go up from here, the level you are watching is definitely this 156 and 84 cents. If AMD can get above it, there's this rebound that can continue. Otherwise, no, this may either just chop around or continue to go lower. It's still in the downtrend. SMCI, so let's go to the daily interval first. So SMCI is still not in an uptrend. We are seeing that, okay, that VIX again formed here today. So yeah, at the zone of previous buying. So I would say rebound on this is a possibility if it can get above $804. All right, otherwise technically still in the downtrend. If it continues to break levels to the downside, it's going to continue lower. Let's go to the hourly interval to talk more about it. Yeah, so here's the thing, it's a simple play. There's some strength more to the upside would be there if we, first of all, the bigger rebound would come if we get above 804. For tomorrow, there is some mini rebound may also continue to the upside if we get above 790 and 29 cents. However, if, yeah, again, this is just going to be a mini rebound though, and then bigger rebound would be above 804. That's where a bigger structure changes. And yeah, otherwise, this is still in the downtrend. If it continues to reject and breaks levels to the downside at these areas, if it can't get above it, technically this will still put it in the downtrend. And it may just continue lower. SMCI structure trying to hold itself here. And it's all about now if it can break the consolidation to the upside to get to the upside play. So that would be that. ARM, let's take a look at that. So ARM tried to rebound but got sold off underneath of 20 days moving average. Once we lost the blue box here, guys, structure is on the downtrend. We got to the next level that I was expecting around, very close to that. Again, not penny to penny perfect, but very close to that. Now let's go to the hourly interval. Is going to sell off more, or what is the price action looking like on the hourly interval? So on the hourly interval, the play for tomorrow, at least intraday, would be, guys, the significant level pretty much. If we can stay above 163 and 92 cents, can continue higher again. If we break below it, this can just continue lower. It's very simple play for tomorrow. Broadcom. So Micron, let's go to the daily interval first. This thing is doing zigzagging today. And yeah, it's sandwiching between 20 and 50 days moving average. And nothing has changed on this, guys. I would say you wait and watch this. If it gets above 20 days, you can continue higher. If it breaks below 50 days moving average, it can come down to 144. It's simple. That's what it is. Micron. So Micron continues to sell off right after that blue box break. That was the short play. Definitely take profits in these extensions. Is it looking like it's wanna get bought back up? So let's take a look at hourly interval if that's a possibility. So right now it's just not enough strength. It just went sideways while the market was going up. So not much of a performance from Micron. And yeah, if anytime we continue to break levels, guys, to the downside, yeah, it's just gonna continue lower. You can take any of these intraday levels, and big break would be coming in if we lose 113.53 cents. Back again to the upside. Okay, if that's the, I would say let it get above first 50 hours moving average, then some rebound can continue up to 121. That would be it. Only rebound intraday, nothing more than that. So, but yeah, that would be the play if that happens to happen. All right, guys, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.